So today we are going to try out a whole bunch of the new Revolution Pro stuff. A lot of you guys that watched my haul, which I'll try and link up in the cards, seemed really excited about all of the Revolution Pro stuff. So if you guys don't know what Revolution Pro is, it is a new line from Makeup Revolution, which is now actually Revolution. It's all very confusing in this moment, but soon it won't be. I did order all of this from revolutionbeauty.com. It is a global website. It changes the currency into whatever currency you would pay in your country, and I just pay through PayPal. It's super easy. I know a lot of you have been really worried about ordering from there. If you spend 60 bucks, you get free shipping to the US. So anyway, all right, so we are going to jump into this. But before we do that, please subscribe if you have not already. And please give this video a thumbs up if you are excited for more Makeup Revolution videos. Let's get into it. All right, so I've moisturized my face a little bit, but we are going to try this Perfecting Featherweight Primer. I do want to also say that I'm going to do my very best to keep some sort of schedule. I'm going to aim for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There is still some debate if it's going to be in the AM or the PM. I normally upload at like 10 AM, but a lot of you guys seem really interested in me uploading later in the evening, so let me know what you guys think. AM or PM. I'm really excited to try this primer. When I put it on my hand, it looked very smoothing, but it feels kind of like silicone-y. I haven't looked at the ingredients or anything yet, but ooh. We are going to try this under eye primer. I got the hydrating one. It's really hard because the packaging is really light. There, maybe now you can see it. It's just the under eye primer and Hydrate. They also have an illuminating one, which of course I'm very intrigued about as well. I'm just gonna apply it like I would an eye cream. It just kind of feels like a lotion. That may be way too much that I just put on. Because you guys know I gotta slather on the eye cream. My bags have been unreal lately. Oh, well, I feel like it's really soaking in pretty quickly. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see at all. Here, try this. But I do feel like it was a little bit smoothing. I've had a lot of like texture on my face lately. And I just started using my Clarisonic again for the first time in forever. So I feel like that's definitely been bringing some stuff to the surface as it normally does when you start using it. So this isn't even like the pore filling primer, it's just the perfecting primer, but I do feel like it is very smoothing. Okay, let's keep this going because there's a lot of products to try out. A lot of you guys wanted me to try out, this is by Revolution, not Revolution Pro, but we're gonna try it out anyway because you guys seemed really excited about it. This is the Cushion Stick for easy color correcting, and I got mine in light. So this one is kind of to color correct under their eyes, especially because I do have, it's harder to see with all these lights on me, but my bags and like my darkness under my eyes is intense for me right now. So I feel like this might be fun to try. So I don't even know how I'm supposed to use this, so I'm just gonna go for it and use it. It's got like a little pot on a spring, so it just like brings the product up to the little sponge. And I'm just gonna, it's got like a yellow tint as you guys can see. It blends in pretty nicely. Okay, so we are going to do foundation now. I'm so excited. We are going to try the Full Cover Camouflage Foundation in F1. So I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand per usual. I really want to try the Lightning Drops as well. Hopefully you can see these. These are obviously also from Revolution Pro. So even if this ends up a little too light, at least we will give these guys a go and I'll be able to let you guys know what I think. It's just got a dropper, so I'm just gonna drop a couple of drops. This has a nice pink tone to it, like it's a very light pink, but I think that's gonna really benefit me. Like I already feel like that's gonna be a way better, because it's got some pinkiness in it now, a way better match. Like you can see this swatch right here compared to this one. I'm just using my AOA sponge. I always like to kind of dab it in whatever's left on my hand and then go in. I feel like it absorbs less product that way. That's looking like a pretty good match right now. Too, it's almost completely covered up my mole, which that shows through like every foundation ever. But I mean, it looks full coverage. That's what it's supposed to be. It looks like there's a little bit of glow, so I like that. I feel like it covers better than some concealers, honestly. Looks pretty nice. We're trying the new Full Color Camouflage Concealer in C1. Upon swatching this guy, it reminds me a ton of the Bye Bye Under Eye. We're gonna start with that little worm. I'm just gonna tap it. I'm gonna use my finger to begin with, and then go in with the sponge, I think. We're gonna do one eye at a time. We're gonna try this is the pressed finishing powder. It's got a mirror in it, which is really nice, and this is what the actual powder looks like. This does leave a little bit of a white cast, which I'm personally a fan of because I like to use a white powder sometimes. This is the eye primer we're going to try today. This is one of the Eye Elements in Core, yellow-based brush. Whoa, it's way softer than I thought it was going to be for some reason, so I just like dug in there. So hopefully I don't have too much. It's very yellow. It's probably way too much, but we're just gonna go with it. I'm excited to try this next product. This is the Revolution Pro Eyebrow Cushion in Taupe Eyebrow Definer. The product is under there. I'm a little nervous to try this guy, but I'm really excited. All right, so I'm just gonna tap into the cushion. I don't know if that's like, my cushion's like, oh shoot, I dropped the whole dang cushion. Shoot. Cool. So I can't find that little cushion for the life of me. So hopefully there's enough product on my brush for us to try it, because by the time I find that cushion, chances are it's gonna be dried out. So before this dries, let's go ahead and put it on. Hopefully I don't like it. And there is some product in the bottom of the thing. I wish that the cushion was like attached somehow. Like I think we're gonna be able to do our brows with whatever's in the bottom of this, but pooh. Can't believe I did that. So it gives you a pretty natural brow. So it's on this brow, not on this brow. So I probably am gonna go with something a little more intense anyway, but I can't believe I just dropped that. For a natural brow day, I think I would actually really love this when I'm not wearing a ton of makeup, but girl, we're gonna go all in with the makeup today, so I'm just gonna have to use another brow product. So much for that. Fail on my part. This is the Freedom Brow Pomade in Taupe. I'm just gonna go in with this and see how I feel about it. I might just go in with a pencil. I think this is starting to dry out a little bit, but I know I'm a fan of the color of this one. It's much more cool toned. Yeah, this is much better for what I'm going for today. Yay, we are on to the most fun part of all. I'm so excited to use this. There's fingerprints all over it. I just got makeup all over it already, but that's cool. This is the Mischief Mattes. I'm so excited to try this palette. I have not tried it at all. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna do this together, and we're gonna start with yellow. I think we're just gonna go for it. Just go for it. Are you guys ready? We're gonna use New Day, which is the yellow right here. But not into the crease. I want this to be a pretty yellow look. So this one is called Daydream. Right here. Whoa. Okay. I think we're gonna do a halo eye today, so I'm just gonna kind of go in and go outer corner to inner corner. We're gonna really be layering a few shades because I want to use quite a few of these guys. So we're just gonna go in. I have a bad habit of just like winging everything out, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. We're just playing. Yas, orange goodness. I think because I want to go purple, we're gonna go with the kind of purpley pink one right here, which is Fearless. I'm just going to kind of lay the groundwork for where we're gonna put some purple. We're gonna start with Exclusive. So this guy down here, boop, boop, boop. And then if we need to, we might add a little bit of Shrine, which is this baby right here. Just like a little pencil brush. Or like, I don't even know what this is, a smudger brush. I hope I'm not getting fallout. Far from real fallout, so that's good. I'm making sure to really tap off my brush though, because I did my foundation first. So we'll just kind of mix those two. We're gonna mix Shrine and Exclusive. Yes. I think I want to go to the lower lash line before we continue on the eyes, the upper eyes. Layering those same shades. I'm gonna start with yellow, and then orange, and then pink. At least I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna at least start with yellow, I can tell you that. The Daydream shade. It's always hard for me to film my lower lash line, I apologize. I think it's almost time for some glitter. You guys ready for some glitter? Put New Day, that yellow shade, right on the center of the lid because I want it to have some sort of a base. LA Splash, but we're gonna use this as a glitter glue. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. So I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that sticky base on. I'm gonna do one eye at a time. I'm gonna use a separate finger, dabbed it in there. Ooh, okay, trying to fuse it a little bit. Wow, hello, impressed. So I didn't pick up the liner from Revolution Beauty because I spaced it. Technically I did pick it up, but it's not here yet. So I'm just gonna use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Pen in Ultra Black to line my upper lash line. And I'm probably gonna do a wing just because I really prefer my eye shape with a wing. Personally, it's just how I do. I'll try and keep it smaller. So I'm just gonna pop some mascara on in the right back. Actually, I'm gonna put on some mascara and some lashes. Okay, so I didn't pick up any of the contour products. I think there was only one and it was like individual pans. So I'm just gonna contour with something else, Makeup Revolution really quick, and then we'll move on. The lashes that I'm wearing are 702 from Cara Lashes. I got these from shopmissa.com. I think we're just gonna use this bronzer from the Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit in Ultra Fair 1. I don't know if I've ever really even used this, so. Oh, I'm just gonna place it with this brush and then go back and blend it with something else. It's working much better. Okay, we're on to highlighting, which of course is my favorite thing ever, and I am really excited to play with this palette. This is the 4K highlighter palette in gold. These top two shades are amazingly beautiful, so I'm going to apply them dry and then apply a little bit of them wet, so foiled, because they are quite powdery. They're a little bit glittery too when you tap into them. I feel like especially these two are glittery and those ones are mostly like have a sheen, but I'm just gonna pop it on so it looks like on its own without any like additional help. I'm just gonna buff that. Put a little bit on my nose because you know I can't help myself. I'll use the Sport Fix from Makeup Revolution and just spritz it twice. Go white, gold, just dab it back and forth. And I just want to pop it right on the high point, right there. Ooh, girl. A little extra gold. I feel like that white is just like stealing the show. That white is pigmented. Ooh, girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. I love me some highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my inner corner, I think, too. Ooh. I'm just gonna line my lips with this Ulta. I've just been using, this is like my fallback liner when like, it's just in bare, so it's just like a nude color. So I line my lip. We are going to start with Charade, which I think is pinky. We're gonna try it with Psychedelic. We're gonna lighten a little bit. This is the white one. That's a little better. I feel like I need color on my cheeks. I just feel like, ooh, I just feel like I need something. I'm gonna use a tiny bit of Prenup by ColourPop. I'm sorry. I just want to, because I just feel like there's so much color on my eyes that I just want to balance it out a little bit. Okay, I think we're done. I think we're done. What do you guys think? All right, loves, so I think that is everything. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this look and this video on Revolution Pro. Of course, again, please subscribe if you want more videos about Makeup Revolution, Revolution Pro. Those seem to be my most requested videos, so there will consistently still be those videos on this channel. I didn't get a setting spray, but again, it's on the way. So we can always do another Revolution Pro video if you guys want. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and you want more Revolution Beauty Revolution Pro videos. Yeah, I would do a quick rundown of everything. I like the foundation. It still looks pretty good on my skin. I mean, obviously it's only been on for like an hour because I've been taking forever to do this makeup look. I love the eyeshadow palette. I like this powder so far. I'm not sure I love it under the eyes, but I do like it for the rest of the face. The pressed glitters, they are beautiful. They're beautiful, but again, you will probably have to use a base with them. I don't think I would have gotten quite this result without a base. I wish that I had stronger thoughts and opinions on this brow cushion. I think that I want a darker shade because it is a very natural product. Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigments in Charade and Psychedelic. I really like these. I love having the white because when I put this on, I just didn't feel like, I felt like it was just too much on my lips. I don't personally like when I have like a bright eye and a bright lip together. It feels like too much for me. I already feel like a clown, especially with my bright hair, like with my bright hair again. That's just me personally, but I really love having psychedelic to mix with all these other ones. They are really comfortable. I like the Lightning Drops a lot. I feel like those are gonna be my best friend. I'm trying to think of what else we tried today. I really like the highlighter palette. When you stick your brush in there, it is quite flaky. Like you'll see there's quite a mess in my highlight palette already, but the payoff is really beautiful. Like it's a really beautiful highlight, like right in the really beautiful. So I really like this palette as well. So the concealer, I really like it. The corrector stick, really like it. I feel like my under eyes look pretty bright today, which they were not this morning. So yeah, so thumbs up pretty much all around. Pretty impressed. These are really good products. I do feel like Revolution has really stepped it up. Like I feel like every product, like when they relaunch new products, they just get better and better. You guys know for a long time I've been a fan of their contour products, their blush products, their eyeshadows, a lot of their powder products, but I never was a fan of their old concealers and foundations. So the fact that they kind of got rid of those and came out with some really good options, like these are really good drugstore options. And like, okay, this is gonna be the world's longest video because I just like took forever. Again, please give this video a thumbs up for more Makeup Revolution videos, more tutorials. Let me know down below what product you're most excited about. I'll try and keep you guys updated. But I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I believe that's everything. I will talk to you soon. Bye. I definitely have a cat hair in my eye. Literally every day of my life. Every day of my life. What you doing, tiny queen? The queen is out there if you guys don't know who the queen is. That is Anna, my tiny baby queen. As kind of a primer, I tried to straighten my hair today and like, it's not having it. So we're just going with it. It should be one of those guys that just like makes that face like this product's gonna be poop. But then like the video, they really actually love the product and they just wanted people to click on it. P.S. Anyone remember my bloops from like a little while ago where there was like, where did this lid come from? Figured it out. But where is the lid now? I'm just gonna leave it just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Yes, queen. Sorry, not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Anyone else randomly wondering where that sponge went? Because I still am wondering.